According to a recent report published by the Institute for Family Studies, men are more likely to cheat on their partners than women. In fact, more than 20% of married men cheat on their wives, and that's a fact. Now, as much as cheating is not a gender thing, infidelity rates are significantly high in both men and women above 60. Now, have you ever had the feeling of wanting to know if your partner is cheating on you, or you wish to catch your partner red-handed, or just want to track the activities of your kids online? Fortunately, this is the 21st century and there is a way to do so without getting caught. Now, on that note, I'm welcoming you to another interesting episode of Tech Videos from TechieBytes. Today's video promises to be fun and I've come with a twist. So without much further ado, let's get started. Now, here are 10 apps to safely monitor your spouse anywhere, anytime from your smartphone or your laptop without getting caught. Now, coming at number 1 is mSpy. Now, mSpy is one of the most popular apps for monitoring your partner's activity remotely. It allows you to view all their messages without any hassle. Now, this tool helps you check the GPS location of your spouse's device in real time. You can monitor their WhatsApp or Facebook chats. You can access their text messages, email, and call logs. You can also see their browsing history and their Tinder and Snapchat interactions using just one application. With this technology, you'll be able to spy on your spouse by secretly turning on the camera of the target device to find out about their whereabouts or the people they are with. Now, in addition, the voice recorder of the device can be activated for you to hear the background voices and phone surroundings. Now, all of these will be done in stealth mode, so you don't need to worry about being detected by your spouse in an attempt to catch a cheating spouse. Umobix. Umobix is another app that is commonly used by parents to track the online phone activity of their children. Now, it is popularly known as a parental control app, similar to other apps of its kind. Now, it needs to be installed on the target device you wish to spy on. Now, Umobix is compatible with iOS and Android devices, and it helps to track various target phone activities like phone calls, text message, GPS location, web messenger activity, social media, etc. This app is available for free and it offers easy access to the target device in real time. Now, it also allows users to capture screenshots on the target phone. Overwatch. Overwatch is a monitoring app that allows you to track SMS, calls, and messages of your spouse. Now, it is one of the best apps to catch an unfaithful boyfriend or girlfriend. It is invisible to the user of the target Android device. You can use this Android app to spy on your spouse's cell phone for free. Now, you can also view all the information received and sent by the device user. You can do all this safely on the Overwatch app without getting caught. IZ.
Meet Mobile Device Management, or simply MDM. IZMDM gives you more control over what your kids are doing on their iPhones while you're not around. With MDM, you'll be able to see their browser history to make sure your kids are staying away from inappropriate content, remotely block websites you don't want them to visit, see the full list of apps they have installed on their device, block the apps you find harmful or too time-consuming.
IZ is another interesting phone monitoring app for parental control. Now, it allows you to view pics, videos, and apps without being noticed by the targeted phone user. Now, with this app, it is easy to find out what your kids are saying on social media. All you need to do to get started is to choose your membership, install their software where they will be able to help you with 24/7 support, and then they can help you extract the right information from the target device or through their easy-to-use dashboard. CleverGuard. Now, CleverGuard is one of the most powerful phone monitoring apps that enables you to track your spouse's activity remotely without any issue. Now, this spying app accesses phone files quickly from any place. It allows you to set up geofences and get live alerts when your spouse enters or exits the boundary. Now, you can track the live GPS location of your spouse, capture screenshots remotely, and even record phone calls. Now, it also offers multiple language support and provides 24/7 support via email and chats. ZNSpy. ZN Spy is an app that is ideal if you need to be able to confront a cheating spouse because they have some of the most advanced features in the industry. Now, the app has a screen recording where you can capture screen recordings of the target phone, which means that if your husband or wife is messaging somebody on social media, you are going to be able to screenshot the messages for proof. Now, this app is considered one of the best apps for catching a cheating spouse, and it can help you monitor 12 unique social apps, and it can also help you monitor emails, phone calls, and phone gallery. iStyle Mobile. iStyle records all Facebook and WhatsApp chats, as well as text messages and other types of communications. Now, the GPS tracker keeps track of both current and previous locations. Now, iStyle is unique because it is one of the few cheater detection apps that allows you to buy a lifetime license for the same price as a single month. Now, it comes with a 30-day guarantee, lifetime upgrades, and support for Android and iPhone users. So if you are on iOS, this is one of the best apps that you can jump on. Spy Bubble. Spy Bubble is another smartphone and tablet spying app originally designed for parents who wish to control their children's online activities. Now, it has full features that can be used to spy on a cheating spouse, and you'll be able to instantly monitor everything they do on their smartphone. Now, Spy Bubble acts as the middleman between the target cell phone and you so that you can confront your husband or your wife and get the truth out once and for all. Now, the app uses state-of-the-art technology and has a really robust customer support system as well as quick installation. Spies. Now, Spies is a mobile app that helps you to monitor all incoming and outgoing calls, call duration, and contact list on your spouse's device remotely. Now, it is one of the best monitoring apps that allow you to view new, deleted, or renamed contact numbers on your spouse's phone. You can find a hidden picture of your spouse's phone and have access to your spouse's messages. Now, the app supports both Android and iOS devices and provides 24/7 support. Now, it also promises a 14 days money-back guarantee. FlexiSpy. FlexiSpy is a great option for you if you are hoping to catch your cheating spouse in the act and spy on their smartphone. Not only can you spy their smartphone, but you can spy on their computer or their tablet as well. It also comes with parental control features, and you can easily install and activate the software remotely. It will also provide you with automatic remote updates, and it is compatible with your iPad, your iPhones, your Android, and your laptop devices. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the best monitoring apps to monitor the activities of your children or to catch a cheating partner without getting caught. Just make sure to be careful when using any of these apps and always do your due diligence. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly give it a thumbs up and follow this channel. And don't forget to also visit our website on www.techiebytes.com. Till next time that I'll be here with another interesting video, please stay safe and don't cheat. Thank you for watching.